John. Okay, cool.
Dave,
nice
to meet you. How's it going?
Molly, no problem.
Structured more if you go to the far over.
Oh, what's your own name?
The thing there.
Dave, how you doing, John? Nice to meet you.
And yeah, Dave, you can have this microphone here as well.
Great.
And you want to sit down?
Okay.
I don't want to sit down.
You can stay there and run sure, yeah.
Very strange.
You won't sit, you sure you can sit there somewhere?
What?
One here. Fine.
I'll move back. I don't like not being able to see.
Word.
So more, we just need the CD giveaway.
Cool, yeah. Oh, we will leave it.
Yeah,
Grand, no problem.
Okay, so you're all good?
7 seconds.
But that's talking about that.
We're just talking about you now.
Okay,
And
great.
playing.
Yes, yeah, we're playing some tunes. Yeah, I might do a
Playing
bit of rap as well, like, you know.
Get your problems off your chest. Tell us your side of the
Talk to
story.
him,
Spin
maybe,
talk.
Oh yeah, sure, you can talk to the Duff too.
Hello there, 2:30 right now. Very good afternoon to you. I am John.
And I'm Muireann.
Sorry, I forgot to turn your microphone again.
I'm
We're on a
Muireann.
different microphone now.
I know.
Our next group have performed and jammed with Hollywood legend Russell Crowe, and their self-titled debut album is being launched tonight in Dolan's. We are, of course, talking about Size2shoes. Welcome to the studio, guys.
Where, John and Muireann?
We are,
How's it going?
we are deaf to someone, aren't we?
You are what?
We're missing someone.
Oh yes, my brother. Yeah. You know, some of us have to work, as a lot of people listening out there will know. But
Yeah.
I don't have to work. I'm here on the radio.
So Molly and Dave both join us in studio. What's that? What does that indication mean? It means he's here, I think. That's what that means.
Hey,
Guys,
Hey.
how you doing? Here's my stand-in, my beautiful stand-in.
Yeah.
Where are you going? Come back over here.
Muireann is leg.
Muireann,
Welcome. How are you?
thank you very much.
Thanks for rushing to go into us. We were just mentioning there. If you missed the start, we were just talking to your album has been released tonight in Dolan's.
Yes, indeed it is.
Yeah,
Indeed it is.
It starts at 8:30. Size2shoes are playing upstairs in Dolan's. To start off, John and Muireann, it's the start of a grueling tour for
Well,
us.
Oh, grueling.
I just have to say, first of all,
it's-
as Owen takes his chewing gum out of his mouth, this is so prepared
I put it
today.
into your
Your
hanky.
hanky.
Thanks. Yo, you're so lucky.
How often
You are
do you get to
so
say that?
lucky.
So to a brief. Sorry.
This is really prepared radio. So, guys, let's talk about Size2shoes.
Yeah, word. Size2shoes are two brothers from the wilds of County Limerick. Molly is 24. My brother Owen is like 20.
Just 29.
Just 29.
Just 29.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
He says yes,
Thank you very
29
much.
on Easter Sunday. And we've got Size2shoes.com up and running, printed up 2,000 albums. We don't have a record deal, but we're the best kept secret in the Irish music industry.
Well, you're being talked about like that. That you are, sorry, what is it? Inspirational pop?
Inspirational pop music, yeah.
Can you explain to us a little bit? What is
Inspirational pop,
inspirational
it's
pop?
music that just makes you feel good, you know, and we're in it for the audience.
Mhm.
That's what we're in it for the listener.
Right.
That's what we get off on.
So who would you say is likely that people would know? Who do you count as being inspirational
Other
pop?
people say Simon and Garfunkel, of course, with the two vocals.
Yeah, but we've heard Prince Unplugged.
Prince Unplugged?
Yeah.
That's
good
pretty
to be compared
good.
there.
Steely Dan.
Steely Dan.
There's some of the other musos.
Yeah.
I know lots of people that would be very happy with that.
Yeah.
Those Steely
You
Dan.
could kind of look at like Jack Johnson-esque, you know what I mean, but a lot more fun. Jack Johnson's
Do
kind
you
of
surf?
chilled. No, Duffman surfs, our bass player surfs.
Okay,
A
good.
lot.
That's okay. We've got
I've
got
got
one
his
in
microphone, but he is here.
Yeah.
I'm here, yeah.
So, brothers together.
Yes.
Obviously, the idea came about from just hanging around together.
Well, we only started playing tunes about 4 or 5 years ago. We were like, we never were musically friendly, but then we became musically intimate, and then it started to get heady, but it didn't really get dirty.
That's going nowhere. But
Yeah.
I'll tell you that you see, I was like a singer-songwriter into my serious kind of Nick Drake, real kind of Damien Rice sort of stuff, and then Molly came along and just laughed at me, and so
I'm more into kind of rap and hip hop. You know what I mean?
Right.
Kind of
So is this a
R&B.
mix of both?
this is a mix.
It is
blending
actually a
of
mix of both.
interesting.
Yeah, it is a mix of both.
Now, we have to talk about your dad is Mihola Sulawan,
Certainly.
Our
Pianist.
dad's professor of music in the University of Limerick.
and your mother, Muireann, a singer.
Yeah,
So,
PhD.
And a theologian, yeah.
but was there, there was no other course for you? Was this, you had to be involved in music?
Yeah, well, I tried to rebel and
Become a lawyer or something?
well, it was more philosophy. I wanted to go books and things and writing and stuff like that. But the rebellion has now passed.
Yeah, Owen wants to be a rock star, and there's no secret about that. I actually then made up for my brother's rebellion and actually did exactly the same course as both of my parents did in UCC Music.
Oh.
I did 4 years there, and then to actually make matters even more interesting, I did a master's in the University of Limerick, where my dad is actually professor.
Wow, nepotism. Any nepotism there?
There was lots.
I
Yeah.
like it,
Every day.
James!
And
Owning
actually,
up
the
to it.
only other thing I could do to actually kind of resemble my parents even more would be actually to do a theology course because our mum was into theology.
Man, they
Or
must be
Gael
so
course,
proud.
maybe.
Or
It's
Gael course,
talents.
yeah.
But by the way, because you're a family and all that, and I know you're kind of going on the road, you're still going to be grueling for yourselves and all that now.
Yes.
Is that going to be difficult because you're a family, or do you reckon it's going to be a little bit easier? Because, you know, I know Dave maybe slightly exempted this, but perhaps the two of you will fight and get over it, whereas if it was a normal band, you'd fight and kind of go your separate ways, whereas you don't know the choice, you can see each other on Sunday for dinner anyway.
That's it. And you don't have to pay family as much
No.
either.
No.
You see,
Like the
so-
Jacksons, I
They
guess.
don't pay me at all either.
Like the
so-
Jacksons. That's not true.
Well, the Jacksons have their own kind of horror stories. No, you know, like, you know, my brother is my best friend. I'd like to say that on
man.
Southwest
And
Radio.
next thing
Try
they're
to
going
thank your goldfish while you're at it.
Yeah.
It's very much going that
Yeah,
way.
we've got more questions for you, but we'd love to hear a song. What are you going to play for
Great,
us?
great.
How's Temper?
Temper would be lovely.
Yeah.
Let me
Okay,
just-
here's Size2shoes. Their launch tonight is in Dolan's of their debut album, and here they are with Temper.
Yo, check it out, Southwest.
Okay. This is a bit of fun. Okay. Temper, searching for the center. Going to the places where the skies are blue. Temper, no teacher, guru, mentor.